All right, so I just came from Flower Lake? Flowing. I just came from Flowing Lake, and now we are at the Taidong Forest Park, and there's a nice bike trail that we're gonna check out here. But look at this beautiful grassy field behind me. The air is very fresh. It's a little bit humid today. Yeah, and you can just hear the birds chirping and lots of tourists here, of course. And I think one thing, since people aren't really leaving Taiwan these days, I think Taiwanese people have really been enjoying traveling in Taiwan more than usual. People have realized that tourist destinations are lovely in Taiwan. You don't actually have to go anywhere. So I feel very fortunate to be living here where I can explore new places every weekend if I feel like it. Area that you can walk around that has these beautiful flowers. I'm just gonna show it to you now. I mean, Taiwan is definitely known for having some very unique, beautiful flowers. It's, I guess, the perfect weather for these flowers to grow in. So let's check it out. Never seen so many different colored flowers all in one space. It's so crazy how beautiful they are, like so many unique colors. My father was actually a florist back in his working days, and so I grew up around a lot of flowers, and I really do have a fondness for flowers. So no smell, but God, they're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just beautiful. All these different colors coexisting together in harmony, the way the world can and will coexist together in harmony. Doesn't matter your color, your size, your smell. All human beings can coexist in harmony, just like these beautiful flowers here. But look at this final one here. This is just so beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, your star is very sparkly. Welcome to Lotus Lake, Taidong. Well worth checking out, just like Lotus Lake in Kaohsiung is worth checking out. Definitely a very different Lotus Lake, but there's some lotus flowers right there. We're hungry. This guy is a teenage mutant ninja turtle. All he thinks about is pizza. Pizza. Pizza rock. Pizza this. I know this guy that has good pizza. God, dude, we gotta get pizza. So we are at Pete's pizza. And Jonathan, when's the first time you discovered this place?
Probably back in maybe March or February I came here. My friend David, he's from Spain, but he lives up in Taipei. We would go on bike rides here, and he showed me Uncle Pete's Pizza. And this is one of my favorite pizza places in all of Taiwan.
Alright, let's see what we got here. This does look delicious. Okay. It's so hard not to love pizza. It really is. Wow. Cheese lovers heaven.